So, good morning everyone. I'm Angelica C. Anthony and this is my final exam video documentation and Math 22. So, I choose the module 1 with the topic of types of vector. So, here are the types of vector. First is zero vector. Zero vector, we know that all vectors have initial terminal points. A zero vector or a null vector is one in which these 2 points coincide. It is denoted as. Since the magnitude is 0, we cannot assign a direction to these vectors. Alternatively, zero vectors can have any direction. Here are the example of zero vector. If you can see zero vector which no direction and also zero vectors can have any directions you want or they want. Second is the unit vector. A vector having a magnitude of unity of unit. A unit vector in the direction of a given vector is denoted. So here are the example of a unit vector. A unit vector from the terminal point or terminal point to the J, and it may be I or K. Next is co-initial vector. Are 2 or more vectors which have the same initial point. For example, an R a co-initial vector since they have initial point A. So here are the example of co-initial vectors. From initial point 0 or O to the direction of B and D, A and C. Next is collinear vector. Are two or more vectors which are parallel to the same line irrespective of their magnitude and direction. Here are the example of collinear vectors. So from the image in the left, first image in the left, we can call it a collinear vector because the line is intersect, so we call it 2 non-collinear vector. It's dili siya parts sa collinear vectors. Here are the money ang second and to the third picture is an example of collinear vector. Next is equal vectors. If 2 vectors have the same magnitude and directions, regardless of the position of their initial points, then they are equal vectors. These vectors are written as. Here are the example of equal vectors. So from figure A and B was this parallel siya pataas iyahang initial points. Next is negative of a vector. Let's say there is a vector having a certain magnitude and direction. Now if there is a vector whose magnitude is same as that of a vector but the direction is opposite, then it called negative of a given vectors. Here are the example of negative of a vectors. So as you can see in the figure above, from A to B, then the second figure is from B to A.